Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial session, and today is the second class of the hands-on training session. Today we will learn about the HTML attributes. Okay, so HTML attributes provides the additional information about the HTML element. So what are HTML attributes? All the HTML elements can have the attributes. It means all the element that we are using can have this attributes. Okay, so what it actually provides? It provides the additional information about the element. Okay, so how we can specify? The attribute are always specified in the start tag. Okay, remember in your mind that the attributes are always specified in the start tag. Okay, the attribute usually comes a name or value pairs, like name equals to values. Okay, like in this way. Next we will talk about very popular attribute, that is the href attribute. Okay, so the a tag. Okay, a tag is called the anchor tag. This tag is called the anchor tag. It defines the hyperlink to, if you want to from a page, if you want to go to the another page, then we will set a hyperlink. Okay, so hyperlink can be set by this a tag. Okay, in this a tag the attribute href is present. Okay, so what is the function of href? Href will be provide you the URL or the link of the pages. Okay, if you click on the URL or the href tag will lead to that page. So let's come to the example href http www.school.com. so whenever this link will be shown, if you click on it, then it will be goes back to the next. See, try yourself. As soon as you run, you here see the blue mark is there, visit W3 school. If you click, then this type of things will come. Okay, this is how we are actually making the hyperlinks. Okay, next is the src attribute. Okay, src attribute is the part of a image tag. See the tag img. This image tag is used to insert image into a web page. Okay, so here the one attribute is that is src. Src attribute specify the part to the image to the display, where actually this picture is reside. The whole pathway is given under this src. How? See, img src, under double quotation we have given the image. So click on try yourself. See, we have given the image with height and weight and everything, and then we see this automatically this image is coming. Okay, next attribute is the width and height. Just you have seen that what will be the height and the width of the images will be there, that you can be denoted. Now how much bigger you want the picture or how smaller you want, you can mention it by this two attribute, that is width and height. Okay, if you under this image tag, if you put width value as well as the height value, then you can see, just see the images. If you reduce it, then it will be reduced. 500 is there, now I am making it 50. Okay, and run. See, the image becomes so small. I have previously it is 500, right? I am again changing to 600. Again run. See, this image become big. But if we are giving lesser value, then it will remain small. So in this way we can adjust the values as well. Next is alt attribute. Okay, it is alt attribute for image type. This specify the alternative text. Suppose image is not visible. Okay, sometimes it happen in your web page you are not able to visit the not able to see the image. So what is actually the image of? So it will can give you the alternatively you can write, if the image is not displayed, this text will be displayed. Okay. See, image is there, and if you run here, it will be contain that one lady with a jacket and all. If this image is not good, here the pathway is right, so that's why you are able to see picture. If you are not able to see the picture, then this alternative text will come. Okay, next is the title attribute. Okay, so title attribute would what? Title attribute defines some extra information about the element. The values of the title attribute will be displayed as tooltip when you mouse over an element. When you actually just try by yourself. Okay, so mouse over the paragraph to display the attributes as a tooltip. When you move around it, you can see this title attribute. Okay. Next, there is good and bad attributes. These attributes are actually not required. Okay, there is a difference between single quote and double quote. Okay, so single quote, double quote around the attribute value are the most common in HTML, but single quote can be also be used. In some situation, when attribute value itself contains double quote, it is necessary to use single quote. Okay, when an attribute itself is having double quote, then you have to use the single quote value. Okay, now we going to the next topic, that is the heading. Okay, previously we have seen the heading. See, there are different types of heading, because I have earlier displayed that heading are from H1 to H6 is there. Okay, as you increase the number, that is 1 to 2 to 2 to 3 to 4 by 6, the size of the heading will be reduced. Okay, just try it by yourself. See, the code is first one is showing H1, second one H2, third one H3, H4, H5, H6. According to this, output will come. See, for this for H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H6 is giving you the least size heading, and H1 give you the more prominent and bigger one. Okay. So heading are most important. Bigger heading if you want to give, then you have to give this font size value. Okay, this font size value, if you increase 60px. Okay, font size property and style property, so it will give you the enhancing the heading size. See, H1 we can, if you want bigger than size bigger than H1, then you can use the font size attribute. So this exercise I am giving to you for your practice. Okay, so you do it and let me know if you are facing any problem or not. Thank you, student. I am ending my lecture.